Hello friends, I'm Sudhir and you are enjoying the YouTube channel English Carnival, a journey of learning with joy. Friends, this channel is dedicated to English language, literature, criticism, academics, motivation and many more. Friends, in our today's video, we are going to explore some multiple choice questions based on Robert Frost's popular composition called Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. But friends, before we proceed, I request you to subscribe the channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such videos on this particular channel called English Carnival in coming days. Friends, this poem is very popular and widely read and appreciated as well. Friends, at surface it looks quite simple and straightforward kind of poem, but it can be explored with different perspectives. Friends, it is a poem about the person who is passing through the forest with his horse and stops somewhere in the evening in order to have rest and enjoy the snowfall, and expresses himself in a quite beautiful way, in a quite beautiful manner. Friends, this poem, or the speaker of this poem, is deeply attracted by the beauty of the woods and nature as well, and remembers that he has miles to go before he sleeps. He has miles to go before he sleeps. Friends, he says that he has to do many things before he stops. There are so many responsibilities upon his shoulder that he has to fulfill before he stops. Friends, this poem is simply the best one in its use of figures of speech like imagery, alliteration and personification. So friends, without delay, let us explore some multiple choice questions based on this superb composition called Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. So let's have the first question. The first question is, Robert Frost was dash poet. Options are A, American, B, Canadian, C, Swiss and D, Australian. The correct answer of this question is A, and Robert Frost was an American poet. Question number 2, we have Robert Frost was born on dash. Options are A, 25th March 1874, B, 26th March 1874, C, 27th March 1874 and D, 28th March 1874. The correct answer is B, that is 26th March 1874. Question number 3, we have the poet wanted to stop by the woods dash. Options are A, to take rest, B, to reach his destination, C, to avoid the stormy night and D, to enjoy the scene. Correct answer is D, and to enjoy the scene. Question number 4, we have woods means what? Options are A, snow, B, hut, C, forest and D, farm. The correct answer is C, and that is woods means forest. Question number 5, we have the season described in the poem is A, summer, B, winter, C, autumn and D, spring. The correct answer is B, and that is winter. Question number 6, we have the speaker was riding on dash. Options are A, bike, B, cycle, C, horse and D, none of these. The correct answer is C, and he was riding on horse. Question number 7, we have the woods were filled up with dash. Options are A, ice, B, hail, C, snow and D, flowers. The correct answer is C, and that is snow. Question number 8, we have it was the dash evening of the year. Options are A, coldest, B, darkest, C, most beautiful and D, finest. The correct answer is B, and that is it was the darkest evening of the year. Question number 9, we have the horse shakes its harness bell to ask if there is some dash. Options are A, mistake, B, problem, C, danger and D, error. The correct answer is A, and that is mistake. Question number 10, we have the poet could not stop to enjoy the beauty of the scene because dash. Options are A, he had promised someone to return, B, he had miles to go, C, he had long way to go and D. He was in hurry. The correct answer is D, and he was in hurry. Question number 11 we have, the horse thought that it was dash to stop there. Options are A. strange, B. foolish, C. queer, and D. useless. The correct answer is C, that is queer. Question number 12 we have, Robert Frost dies in dash. Options are A. 1963, B. 1964, C. 1965, and D. 1966. The correct answer is A, that is 1963. Question number 13 we have, my little horse must think it queer. What does the word queer means? Options are A. strange, B. pleasant, C. nice, and D. evening. The correct answer is A, that is queer means strange. Question number 14 we have, flake means what? Options are A. white, B. dark, C. light piece, and D. heavy. The correct answer is C, that is light piece. Question number 15 we have, the poem is written in dash. Options are A. iambic tetrameter, B. iambic pentameter, C. varied meter, and D. none of these. The correct answer is A, that is the poem is written in an iambic tetrameter. Question number 16 we have, what is not the subject of Robert Frost's poetry? Options are A. charm and beauty of country life, B. nature, C. everyday experiences, and D. religion. The correct answer is D, that is religion. Question number 17 we have, what is the setting of the poem? A. in the woods on a bright snowy afternoon, B. in a village in a dark snow evening, C. near the woods on a dark snowy evening, and D. by a frozen lake on a bright snowy afternoon. The correct answer is C, and that is near the woods on a dark snowy evening. Question number 18 we have, what does the word promises refer to? Options are A. duties and responsibilities which speaker has towards himself and others, B. the promises that he has made to his parents, C. the promises that he has made to his beloved, and D. the promises that he has made to his friends. The correct answer is A, that is duties and responsibilities which speaker has towards himself and others. Question number 19 we have, what is the thing that pulls the speaker away from the woods? Options are A. the freezing harsh wind, B. promises the speaker needs to keep, C. the darkness of the evening, and D. the cold snowy weather. The correct answer is B, and that is promises the speaker needs to keep. Question number 20, what is the core theme of the poem? Options are A. the pull of alone in the nature against the pull of responsibility, the pull of sleeping in the nature against the pull of sleeping at home, the ability of nature to make a person feel tired and sleepy, and D. the fear of staying too long on someone else's land. The correct answer is A, and that is the pull of alone in the nature against the pull of responsibility. Question number 21, the poem has dash rhyme scheme. Options are A. AABA, BBCB, CCDD, DDDD, B. AABA, BCBC, DDEE, FF, C. AABA, BCBC, DDDD, EF, and D. ABCD, EF, GG, HI. The correct answer is A, that is AABA, BBCB, CDCD, DDDD. Question number 22 we have, how many stanzas are there in the poem? Options are A. 3 stanzas, B. 4 stanzas, C. 5 stanzas, and D. 6 stanzas. The correct answer is B, and that is this poem has 4 stanzas. Question number 23 we have, the only other sounds the sleep of easy wind and dash flake. Options are A. shiny, B. downy, C. sunny, and D. heavy. The correct answer is B, and that is downy flake. Question number 24, the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have dash to keep. Options are A. dreams, B. words, C. promises, and D. thoughts. The correct answer is C, that is promises to keep. Question number 25 we have, Mending Wall was written by dash. Options are A. Robert Burns, B. Alexander Pope, C. Robert Frost, and D. Edmund Spenser. The correct answer is C, that is Robert Frost. So friends, all these are the multiple choice questions based on popular composition called Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. Friends, I hope you have liked this presentation and all these multiple choice questions. If you have really liked it, then I request you to like it, share it among your friends, near and dear ones as well. If you are a new viewer to this channel, then I request you to subscribe the channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon, so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such videos on this channel in coming days. So friends, we'll meet soon again with different video of multiple choice questions. Till then friends, just take care of yourself and be happy. Thank you very much.